Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. Konda EChemistry. From today onwards, we are going to study a new topic, that is sugar industry. The upcoming lectures will be on sugar industry. Okay, so before we start this topic of sugar industry, I request everyone, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and press the bell icon button for latest videos notification. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss the basic introduction of this sugar industry. Let me start. So what we are going to learn in this lecture, that is importance of sugar industry or sugar. So what are the basic importance of sugar? Manufacture of sugar from sugar cane. This is very important, where we are going to see the total manufacture of a sugar from sugar cane. This is the basic raw material of sugar cane, from which we are going to synthesize, we are going to manufacture the sugar from sugar cane. Next, what are the steps involved in the manufacture of sugar? So we are going to see what are the important steps manufactured or the steps involved in the manufacture of sugar. Next, importance of sugar industry or sugar. Here we can see the sugar industry is the one of the biggest industry of the country. Here we can see sugar industry is the one of the biggest industry of the country. We can say here second largest industry of the country after the textile industry. So they in India you can say the textile industry is the first industry, is the biggest industry. After the textile industry, sugar industry is the second largest industry of the country. So where we can see sugar, it provides instant energy to the man. Of 13% of energy can be produced from the sugar. That is instant energy booster. Sugar is the booster, energy booster for a human. Okay. Next, cane sugar is used as sweetening agent. One more thing is that where we can see the sugar can be manufactured from the sugar cane or the cane sugar, where it is cane sugar or sugar cane is called a sweetening agent. Overall, it is a sweetening agent. Also, we can see here the sugar byproduct, where in the manufacture of sugar from the sugar industry, we can obtain the different byproducts. That is, two important byproducts we can obtain. That is, one of the byproduct is molasses. Molasses can be used for the manufacture of alcohols, that is liquor. This is also one of the biggest importance of the sugar industry. And second one, we can also obtain the baggage as a product. In case of the sugar industry, after extraction of the juice, the remaining unwanted material of which is known as a baggage used as a material for other industries, means where the byproduct of the sugar industries, both of molasses can be used for the manufacture of liquors or alcohols. Here the byproduct of the baggage, that is sugar byproduct which is known as baggage, is also used for the raw materials for other industry, means it can be used in the synthesis of some of the cattle feed for the animals and some of the making of woods, plywoods and the boards. Likewise, here baggage is also having the importance because it is used as a raw material for the other industry. So therefore, sugar having the very important importance in the human lives, for as a energy booster, as a sweetening agent, as we can say from the industries, the products obtained, byproducts obtained, that can be used for the another industry also. Yeah, manufacture of sugar from sugarcane. So, where in this topic, in this total chapter, we are going to discuss manufacture of sugar from sugarcane only. Here, sugar can also be manufactured from the beet also. That is sugar beet. We can also synthesize sugar can be sugar beet, but the mostly 75% of the sugar can be obtained from the sugar cane. So therefore, we are going to see in this chapter synthesis of manufacture of sugar from the sugar cane. So what are the basic steps involved? See, raw materials. Where we are going to see the raw materials of sugar. So what are the raw materials? Sugar cane. Sugar cane is the basic raw material. Then after getting the sugar cane, we have to extract the juice from the sugar cane. That is extraction of juice. Next, purification of juice. That is also called as clarification. We are going to see the clarification step. Further concentration or evaporation. Once you get the juice have to be evaporated. Then further crystallization, centrifugation, and finally drying and packages. So these are the basic steps involved in the manufacture of sugar from the sugar cane. We have to remember that sugar cane is a basic raw material. So what is the raw material? Sugar cane is the basic raw material. It contains 70 to 75% of the water. See, where sugar cane contains 70 to 75% of the raw material, as well as 10 to 15% of the crystalline sugar, where 10 to 15% of the crystalline sugar, and approximately 0.5 to 1% of the sucrose. So therefore, where after obtaining the juice, concentration is very important. That is, evaporation is important. Means where the water molecules can be evaporated, because we have to obtain the sugar in the crystalline form. So these are the steps involved in the manufacture of sugar from sugar cane. What are the steps? Raw materials, extraction of juice, purification of juice. That is nothing but the clarification means purification. Concentration means we have to concentrate the extracted juice. Further crystallization, where we can see crystals of sugars can be obtained, where we have to do the procedure of we have to do for crystallization process, and further centrifugation, and finally we have to make it for drying in the packages. So these are the very important steps we are going to study in the upcoming lectures one by one. Okay. So with this, I will stop here. If you like my video, so please subscribe and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notification. So with this, I will stop here. In the next upcoming lectures, we are going to see different steps one by one. Okay. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you so much.